Pivot tables in just 4 minutes. Yes, that's great. Okay, let's go. Hi everyone, this is Hamad Latif from HLC Academy. Today we are going to talk about pivot tables, which is one of the most super and most awesome features Microsoft Excel has. Okay, so here we have this data from which we are going to create a pivot table. So I'll select this data. Let me tell you a bit about this data. It has items, country, in which there is Russia, Pakistan, Turkey, and then there are salespersons: Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Hamal Latif. And then you have quantities, rate, exclusive value, and then sales tax rate and sales tax amount, and then the inclusive value. Okay, so let's select this data. I'll go to the Insert tab. I will click on the pivot table and from table range. And it is asking me where I want to create the pivot table. So I'll go with the new worksheet and click OK. So here you have this pivot table fields here, in which there are 4 types of fields: filter, columns, rows, and values. So let's go with the salesperson, and I'll select the quantity, and boom, there you go. And it is here the summary of all this data right here with just 2 clicks. It is a super easy tool for creating reports and quick analysis. For example, I want to see in which country they have done these sales. So I'll drop it to the columns, and there you go. You have quick reports, and you can see here we have values. So this is currently the sum of quantities. I can click it, value field settings, and I can go to the count, average, maximum, and I can use other functions with this. And I can also see branches and trees of different elements of my data. For example, I like to see like this, and then you can have more report layouts. What I love is show in tabular form, and then you have different designs for the table. And let's go with the yellow, and I'll remove the grid lines. If you click here, so the data so the pivot table fields reappear. Anyways, this is super awesome and super easy tool. So let's check. What about the items? Oh wow, this is so great. And maybe I want to see with just the items and country. Maybe I want to see country and items, and I can see in any matrix. I can put anything in the rows and anything in the columns. So what you've put here in the rows appears here as in the rows, and what you've put here as country appear here as the column headings. So this is super easy and super fast method of creating reports in Excel. So I'll show a little bit more about the pivot chart. So I'll click this. We have different views. We can go with the pie chart, the column chart. So I'll go with the column chart. Click it, and there you have super easy, super fast reports. So let's check what happens if I put the country here. Oh wow, this is so great. So it's telling me it's a Dell Mars for how much sales in different countries, and then the other products. So what if I put item below the country? What happens then? Oh wow, so it's country and now products. This is so great, and this is so super easy. I hope you liked our video. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel and show your love. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.